Binigay ay Paul si Daniel takes the three. Man pass to Nagkata takes the three. Nagkata! Nice man! Easy to go! Dewi pasok.
Shooter.
Sports League 2025.
Magandang gabi mga boss. Nandito tayo sa Barangay Rosario at mapapanood natin ang laban ng competitive division. Borok 5 versus Borok 2.
Sa paligid ng court, bawal tutulura, bawal suminga, bawal mamulangon, bawal pong magkalat at bawal pong magmura. Maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi Pilipinas, and this ball game is being brought to you by Huniang Kabataan ng Barangay Rosario.
Jersey number 8.
Start of the ball game. Borok 5 versus Borok 2. Jump ball.
Sa bigil, napunta kay Dereon.
Yellow ball tayo. Espinosa. Unang tira. Using the far glass. 2 points para kay number 18.
In favor ng Burgos. Ball sa the play.
Probably Nakata takes a three. Nakata 3!
Ang galing ang husay. Mahabot tunay kay Ball for 3. 3-2.
Rebound by Sapili, the Bayani, pinigay Bopode. Bopode pass to Anthony Mello, rejected to the top of the top by Pagkawisan. Behind the back pass to iPhone Sedanya. Sedanya dribbling the ball. Sedanya behind the back pass to Domo.
1 minute left. 9 minutes left. We end the first quarter.
Number 1, Pomonense, Nakata setting the play. Nakata dribbling the ball pass to Horilla, takes
15 seconds.
National last rebound by Mantomo, pinigay Pagawisan. Russell Pagawisan dribbling the ball. Pagawisan is 2 points.
Change favor, 1 point in number 2 for 3. With 8 minutes and 27 seconds left.
Pomonense dribbling the ball. Nakata setting the play. Anthony Mello takes a 3. Mendez, rebound by number 10, Tomo. Tomo pass to Russell Pagawisan. Pagawisan dribbling the ball, setting the play, pass to Espinosa. Binigay kay iPhone Sedanya, takes a 3. Sedanya, 3!
Ratio score, 7-3, 4-point lead. Now Burgos with 8 minutes left. We end the first quarter.
Number 1, Pomonense dribbling the ball. Nakata setting the play. Nakata takes a 3. Mendez, nagkakabi ng rebound by Gigi De Leon. De Leon dribbling the ball, only pass to iPhone Sedanya. Sedanya setting the play. Sedanya pass to Espinosa. Mendez, rebound by Nakata. Nakata dribbling the ball. Nakakuha ang foul. There's a blocking foul on number 8. Iceman, yung pinasok si Iceman. Melon takes to ball pass. Horilla sa ilalim. Mendez. Rebound by James Espinosa, binigay kay iPhone Sedanya. Sedanya dribbling the ball. Sedanya pass to Jake.
15 seconds.
Number 12.
10 seconds.
Espinosa pass to Sedanya. Sedanya pass to James Espinosa. Takes a 3. Mendez, rebound by Sapili, the Bayani. One pass to the Iceman, the birthday boy. Mendez. Rebound by Pomonense, Nakata takes a 3. Mendez pa rin, rebound by Gigi De Leon. Kay Russell Pagawisan. Mendez, iPhone Sedanya rebound. Pasok, 2 points.
9-3 ang ating score in favor ng Burgos. 6 minutes, 35 seconds left.
Sa ating first period.
15 seconds to shoot.
Nakata selling the play. Wow! Miami, 2 points by number 13, Sabile.
Sabile.
Basta sa ilalim si Sabile, talagang papasok.
Ang sarap. 9-5.
Number 8.
15 seconds to shoot. 10
Espinosa. Pass to Sendanya. To Espinosa. Nakakuha ng foul.
Body shot for Espinosa. Then by the running score. Last 6 minutes. We're still in the first half. Kicking on. Setting the play to Sabile. The Iceman. Haba. 3! 10-8 ang running score. On the 2-point lead ng Crudos. 5 minutes and 42 seconds before we end the first quarter.
Number 18, Espinosa setting the play. Pass to Russell Magawisan. In and out. Rebound by Habla, the birthday boy, the Iceman. Iceman, rejected, pero nakakuha.
Pilipinan sa basukahan. Maraming salamat po. 2 for 2. Tabla po, all 10 ang score with 5 minutes and 17 seconds. We end the first quarter. Sendanya for 3.
Benitez, nagkatabigan.
Aurelia, binigay ko
Sabile, dribbling the ball. Pass to Nagkata takes 3. Nagkata, 3!
GHP.
Official score 13-10.
3-point lead ng Porosinggo over Portos.
Sendanya setting the play. Pass to Magawisan. Dominates dribbling the ball. Nagkata setting the play. Pass to Sabile. Nakuha ni Boholano. Dribbling the ball. Natabigan. Good defense by number 11. Shoutout sa iyo. Magandang gabi. Saibon Sendanya. Witness. Rebound by Sabile. Pass to number 12. Bombalin dribbling the ball. Bombalin setting the play. Pass to the Iceman. The Iceman takes a 3. Witness. Out of bounds.
Yellow ball.
Shine Kagiwa.
Malala po para sa ball mga hikaw pintas kasi
Number 8, Sendanya dribbling the ball. Pass to Boholano. Bringing kay wow, what a play by Boholano to Magawisan.
points by Russell Magawisan. 13-12 ang ating score. 1-point lead ng Porosinggo.
Nagkata takes a 3. Nagkata 3!
Ang galing na busay.
Official score 16-12. 4-point player from Porosinggo. Sendanya takes a 3. Mendez rebound by the Iceman. The Iceman dribbling the ball. The Iceman pass to Nagkata takes a 3. Nagkata 3!
Official score 19-12. Bring more
Double the ball. Number 8, Sendanya dribbling the ball. Pass to James Espinosa. Espinosa setting the play. Pass to Russell Magawisan. Back to Espinosa, takes a 3. Espinosa! 3! Galing agad sa mic na. Umuusok, umiinit. Bombalin, pass to Bombalin. Reject. Nakuha ni Russell Magawisan ang bola. Brigade kay Boholano. Mintes. Rebound by Icon Sendanya. Sendanya takes a 3. Mintes pa rin. Nakuha ni Iceman. Iceman dribbling the ball.
Iceman
dribbling the ball. Mintes appearing the Sparks. Rebound by the Sparks. Brigade kay Sabile. Mintes. Rebound by number 32. Brigade kay Boholano to Russell Magawisan. Pag-uwisan, bigay Boholano, penetrate. Nakatabigan, out of bounds, save ball.
4-point lead. Tubayo, bigay kay Espinosa.
Pasok, 2 points.
Espinosa for 2.
Official score 19-17.
Favor
Kapawalakan ni Tatang. Rebound by Boholano, pinul na ni Boholano. Yun, nakuha na bola. Ito na, Bagawisan, dribbling the ball. Bagawisan. Mintes, rebound by Bombadin, Nakata. Pass to the Iceman. Finish shot by Iceman.
21-17. Bagong favor ng Purok 5.
Boholano dribbling the ball. Pass to Russell Bagawisan. Pass to Boholano. Binigay kay Espinosa, takes a 3. In and out, rebound by the Sparks. Pass to Nakata. Nakata dribbling the ball. Nakata setting the play. Ball pass sa ilalim ni Sabile. Sabile umiot. Sabile. Alasanira. Nakuha ng bola. Sabile. Buhay na Miami by number 13. Using the far glass.
23-17 ang ating score.
Last 14 seconds at the end of the first.
15 seconds.
Rebound pass to Russell Bagawisan, takes a 3. Mintes rebound by the Sparks. The Sparks bomb pass to number 1. Nakata dribbling the ball. Pass to Sabile.
Binigay kay Kenneth Bombadin.
Setting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Nakata takes a 3. Mintes. Nakata bigan. Boholano rebound. 13 seconds. James Espinosa. Easy 2 points.
23-19 ang ating score with 5 seconds left.
Purok 5.
This time out is being brought to you by Rep.
Bombadin dribbling the ball. Pass to Sabile. Jumper. Official score 20.
Sudden knockout
Score
game. Winner automatically
19-23 in
enter
favor
the
of
championship
Purok
series.
5.
Mosquito for Oakland.
Second quarter.
Number 15 on the inbound.
Wala namang kapatid sa
Takes a 3. Iceman with this. Save the ball by the Sparks. Napunta rin Bagawisan, Espinosa. Outlet pass to Espinosa. Bigay kay number 16, Tupal. Back to Espinosa. Espinosa! 3!
So score 23-22. Still leading po ang Purok 5 with 1 point.
Nakata dribbling the ball. Nakata setting the play. Nakata pass to Sabile. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Nakata takes a 3. Nakata! 3! Number 12, dribbling the ball. Espinosa takes a 3. Mintes. Back to Bagawisan. 10 seconds to shoot. Bagawisan to Tuman. Binigay kay Espinosa to Bagawisan. Bagawisan fakes. Ball pass to Espinosa. Mintes. Nakuha ni Boholano. Boholano dribbling the ball. Boholano pass to Tuman. Mintes pa rin. Rebound by Sabile.
8 minutes and 35 seconds. 26-22.
Number 1, dribbling the ball. Nakata setting the play. Nakata to Sabile. AK Borilla. Nangakuha ng foul. There's a foul of number. Version no good. Kamahan ng bata na yan dyan. Slave on his charity.
Atras kayo dyan.
Number 8 setting the play. Sendanya dribbling the ball. Pass to Tupal. Bigay kay Espinosa. Espinosa fix. Pasok, 2 points. Pero there by number 18.
7-24 ang ating score with 8 minutes left.
Number 13, dribbling the ball. Sabila.
Alis na po kanina pa. Alis kayo dyan.
Sabila setting the ball. Pass to number 1.
BSF. Kuya Paul.
Horilla takes a break. Mendez, rebound by Molano. Outlet pass to Seganya. Easy for points.
27-26. Atras kasi. Oy.
Horilla, pass to Nakata. Nakata picks. Regate the Sparks. Pass to Sabile. 2 points by Sabile.
29-26. Ang score with 7 minutes and 24 seconds.
Number 8, Seganya dribbling the ball. Seganya setting the play. Pass to Borlano. Borlano tinrap. Borlano, Aguilera. Mendez. Pesin punta. Nakakuha ng foul. There's a foul. Shooting for 2. First shot is number 2.
Saya ito man. Happy birthday, Coach Jeff Mario.
Number 11, Anthony Melo setting the play. Pass to Litang. Litang dribbling the ball back to Anthony Melo. Anthony Melo perimeter. Mendez, rebound by James Espinosa. Binigay kay Seganya. Sa balaksa, left-hander shot. In and out. Rebound by Anthony Melo. Anthony Melo dribbling the ball. Anthony Melo to Bomodin. Binigay kay Sabile. Picks. Pasok to
Minutes and 30 seconds left in the first half.
Ivan Seganya setting the play. Pass to Espinosa.
Oh,
Back to Bolano. Bolano sa baseline. Nakakuha ng foul. There's a foul on number. Game Tupal. Back to Seganya. Espinosa flicks. Espinosa. 6-second move. Mendez.
oh.
Domo nakakuha ng foul. There's a foul on number. Domo in the free throw line. First shot no good. Mendez, rebound by Sabile. Pass to Nakata. The Sparks, outlet pass to Melo. One pass to Litang. Argo Klaus. Basta Uya. Baka mapasahan ka dyan. Open ka lagi.
Oy, nakapuna dyan, nakakalito ka.
Pares kayo ng uniforme. Atras ka dyan.
Papapasahan ka dyan.
May ilang babantay. Number 11, outlet pass to the Sparks. Kaliwa. Lagi siya, Mendez.
Pambagi kay Mike Santos.
Borlano. Side stepping. Pasok.
James Tabor.
32-31 ang ating official score. Lamang na po ang Dos Guerreros. Number 11, Melo. Pass to Litang. Litang rolling the ball. Litang pass to Sabile. Sabile using the cartas with this.
5 minutes left and we end the first half.
Seganya to Espinosa. Espinosa. Sumalaksa. Mendez. Rebound by Sabile. Nakuha ni Espinosa. Nakakuha.
Ayaw nila pasa si Porso. Shooter. Kuya.
Number 11, setting the play. Anthony Melo dribbling the ball.
4 minutes, 42 seconds
Melo
left.
takes a 3. Too short.
4 minutes, 40 seconds.
Tubal. Rejected by Anthony Melo.
Alugani. Next game, Juniors Division, Purok 7 versus Complex.
Back to the ball game. Easy 2 points.
Tupa. 45 seconds left.
Tama. Tama. Number 8, Sendanya setting the play. Sendanya through the
10
ball.
seconds.
Sendanya, side stepping move, floater. Lepas balik, Sendanya, pass to Bolano.
17 seconds, 38-31 ang ating score. Favor ng Burgos.
First shot, no good. Number 13, Sabine, binigay kay Iceman, binigay kay Villalino. Nakakuha. Rebound by Domo. Domo pass to number 20, Villarreal. Traveling violation. Number 15, dribbling the ball. The Iceman, humingi ng play. Iceman setting the play. Still by Ipo. Binigay kay number 8, James Espinosa. Alley-oop pass to Tupan. Pasok, 2 points. Omodin, dribbling the ball. Nakada setting the play. Nakada bump pass to Litang. Binigay kay Sabine. Sabine sa baseline, sa malaksak. Ilabas ang bola kay Iceman. Mendez ang tira. Nawa ni Villalino. Offensive fullback by number 25, Villalino. Number 8, Sendanya dribbling the ball. Pass to Espinosa. Espinosa jumper. Pasok, running back net by number 18. 1 minute and 50 seconds sa ating first up. In Iceman. Mendez. Nakuha pa rin ang bola. Iceman. Wala pa rin. Lita. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 8.
Last 1 minute 35 seconds.
Sendanya setting the play.
42-33 ang ating score.
Sendanya.
15 seconds to shoot.
Pass to James Espinosa. Tupan pass to number 8. Sendanya setting the play. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Nakakuha ng foul. There's a area. Wala pa rin. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Outlet pass to the Iceman. The Iceman umigot sa lasa. Marami. Number 8, Sendanya dribbling the ball. Sendanya setting the play. Pass to Espinosa. Back to Sendanya. Sendanya to JJ De Leon. Out of bounds. Number 12, Magabisan. Still, Marilita. Binigay kay Iceman. Nakakuha ng foul.
42-36. 3-point by King Oakland.
Sendanya setting the play. 30 seconds. Magabisan. Offensive foul ang tinawag ng ating referee. 12. First personal foul on number 12. Bombardier dribbling the ball.
24 seconds left.
Bombardier setting the play. Nakada. Pass to Lila. Lila. Jumper. Pasok. 2 points. 12 seconds.
42-38.
Shot down is dead. Bagawisan, dire-diretso. Bagawisan, rejected by Lita.
End of
And the first half, official
quarter.
score.
score 42-38 in favor of Purok Dos.
Bating kay Mark Santos na our leader. Sige,
Dahil tao na naman mga boss.
Back to the ball game.
Third quarter.
Meron po tayo. Official score po natin, 42-38, Sentanya, Bumitaw. Boholano. Nakakuha ng foul, Baselis Camp.
body shot for the Blake.
3-point play para kay Blake Boholano.
45-38.
Jonathan Blake Boholano. Nakata, setting the play, pass to Lita. Lita back to 10 seconds to shoot. Hey, Sabile, pick. Sabile sa malaksa. Nites, rebound by James Espinosa. Pass to Russell Bagamisan. Bagamisan dribbling the ball. Binigay kay Sentanya. Sentanya setting the play. Shoutout sa Shatter Day Club. Shoutout sa inyo, Shatter Day Club. James Espinosa, pinuli shot, 2 points.
47-38, adding score.
Iceman Mendez, rebound by James Espinosa. Sentanya looking the coach. Sentanya looking the clock. Sentanya dribbling the ball. Sentanya setting the play, pass to Hernandez. Bringing Espinosa. Bagawisan. Bagawisan. Pass to Sentanya. Sentanya. Melo Mendez. Rebound by number 7, the Sparks.
8 minutes and 28 seconds.
Nakada, dribbling the ball. Nakada, tanggal na yung pare. Number 15, Iceman. Iceman. Pass to Sabile. Paso, 2 points by number 13, Sabile.
47-40, 8 minutes left. We are in the third quarter.
Number 8, Sentanya dribbling the ball. Pass to James Espinosa. Back to Russell Bagamisan. Bagamisan, back to Espinosa, takes a 3. Mendez. Single. Hernandez. Espinosa. Jonathan Mendez. Out of bounds. Nice pass. Nakakuha ng foul. First shot is good by Russell Bagamisan in the free throw area.
Pagbalik kay Ballesteros.
Number 2, official score 49-40. 9-point lead from Dos Viajeros. Santos, the Sparks, pass to Lita. Lita setting the play, pass to Nagata. Nagata to Sabile. Sabile to the Sparks. The Sparks! Nakakuha ng foul.
Santos.
The Sparks. Split on this charity.
Score. Favor ng Proctos. 7 minutes 24 seconds left. We are in the third quarter. This is the competitive division of basketball tournament. SK Canada Stars Birthday 2025. Boholano.
Split on his charity, official score 50-41.
7 minutes and 11 seconds.
Mokodi, pass to Anthony Melo. Back to Mokodi.
15 seconds to shoot.
Mokodi, back to Anthony Melo. Melo, sa malaksa. Grab pass to Villalino. Pasok, ilang rebounds.
50-43 with 6 minutes and 54 seconds.
Number 8, Sintana setting the bay. Pass to number 12. Back to Sintana. Balik kay number 12. Nagawisa takes a 3. Hintes nakatabi ang rebound by Boholano. Bringing kay Fernandez. In and out. Rebound by Lita. Lita still by number 12. Nagawisa. Hintes. Rebound by Lita. Bringing kay Bomodin. Nagkata. Nagkata dribbling the ball. Nakata. Number 13, Sabile. Bello takes a 3, in and out. Sabile, offensive football.
Nice play by Sabile.
Finals talaga yun.
50-45. Last 6 minutes.
Sentanya selling the play. Sentanya. Pass to Boholano. Boholano Pigs. Hintes. Rebound by Villalino. Tinigay kay Anthony Melo. Nagpamadali. Anthony Melo. In and out. Bagaw Bisan. Basket is down. There's a foul number. Foul number 25. Villalino. Pinamukleto, rebound by Villalino, nagiging Bomodi. Sabile setting the play. Nakata takes a 3 out. Pinasa pala. Bagawisa, nakakuha ng foul. There is a foul number. So, official score 54-45. Sabile setting the play. That's the number 1. Nakata takes a 3. Nakata 3. Number 8, Sintana. Has to Tumal takes a 3. Mendes. Rebound by Russell. Espinosa. Mendes pa rin. Boholano setting the play. Pass to Sintana. Pinalik kay Boholano. Boholano takes a 3. Mendes. Rebound by Sabile. Sabile dribbling the ball. Pass to Nakata. Nakata. Pass to Sabile.
12 seconds.
Bomodin, pass to Habla. Iceman 3!
Tatlo na lang po mga kalamangan. 54-51. Last 4 minutes, 5 seconds.
Sentana dribbling the ball. Sentana setting the play. Pass to Turman. Back to Espinosa to Sentana. Hindi ko bola.
5 seconds.
Drop pass. Mendes. Nakuha ni Anthony Melo. Melo.
54-51.
Number 18, Espinosa setting the play. Pass to Sentana. Espinosa picks. Perimeter. Mendes. Turman. Nakakuha ng foul. There's a foul on the
55-51.
Motion is good.
Bata ko ka dyan, ginagawa ko dyan sa short ko. At tapos ka, kaya mo lang gagawin yan.
2-4-2.
Magbari.
Sa Alukbati.
Sa nakapulang sword.
Nakada to Villalino rejected. Ipon Sentana. Mendes. Rebound by number 11. Ricky Nakata. Nakata. Pass to Villalino. Mendes. Rebound by Boholano.
Last 2 minutes.
Villalino Mendes.
J.K. Tupal. Dinereso.
takes to Habla. Stepping in.
Tahimik si Wara. Wara, ano sasabi mo, Wara?
Number 8 dribbling the ball. Pass to Gigi De Leon. Nagsiya na that ball.
Wala, no? Galing ang scores.
Over 2.
Maybe. Ayan na.
Number 1. Hope again. Nagkata siya rin yung play. Pass to Melo. Melo takes a 3. It is. Outlet pass. Polano finish. Polano. Polano. Heading po. Last 2 minutes sa ating third period. Nagkata dribbling the ball. Nagkata. Pass to Sabine.
Quarter. Baka scoring 59.
Number 11. Pass to number 15. Iceman. Mendes. Sentana. Umigot. Pass to Tupal. Domo. Next to Pao. Tinawag na ating Nagkata takes a 3.
Sure.
Number 8, Sintanya. Pasu, Bukal Nandare. Bukal Nandare ng Primo. Pasu Tomo. Hinging iPhone Sintanya. There you go. Paso, 2 points. Wait lang, wait.
Ibalik na mabuka na.
Back to the ball game. Number 1, second to ball. Pass to Habla.
Ayaw kong katupad ng
Jacques Altera.
Rebound by Alvin Tunay.
Number 20, Mendes.
Abot na kay Sabine. Intercepted by Matt Domo. Meron sa inyo. 2.
Paso, 2 points by Espinosa.
63-51.
Paso, 2 points.
63 10-point lead with 4 seconds left. End of the third quarter.
And
And on the
third
period,
quarter.
Score 6.
Score 63-53 in favor of Dos.
Next game, Juniors Division. Purong Tres Parang Complex versus Purong 7 SBS Foundation. At nagkakalaman mo kung sino ang atin sa mga class. Sino ang pula.
Number 1, Bongodi Nagkata setting the play. Pass to Sabili, bigay kay Iceman.
The Iceman.
Iceman dribbling the ball. Iceman.
Paging Pini, pahanap ni
Number 13, Sabili setting the play. Sabili, umigot. Natabigan, number 1 in the spark. 4 seconds to shoot. Habla takes a 3. Mendes, rebound by the Sparks. Wala pa rin. Ibon Sendanya on rebound. Sendanya setting the play.
63-53.
Sendanya dribbling the ball. Wara lapping 3. Mendes Altera. Rebound by Sabine. Pass to Nagkata. Nagkata dribbling the ball. Nagkata setting the play. Pass to Sabine. Sabine, oh! Still by Matt Domo. Domo. Still by number 15. Iceman to
Waits. Wait. Awake.
Official score 63-55. De Leon, Minty Sandira. Rebound by the Sparks, pinigay kay Habla. Habla dribbling the ball. Habla, Logan, Mintis. Number 8, Sildanya, starting to play. Sildanya drop pass to Tupal. Number 1, Pomodi. Minty Sandira na one in the Sparks. Pinigay kay Sabili. Andaling, rebound by G. De Leon. Sildanya receive 2 points. Number 15, Mintes. Sildanya, pass to De Leon. De Leon dribbling the ball. Traveling violation.
With 7 minutes and 15 seconds left and we end the ball game.
Number 1, Nakata setting to play. Pass to number 11, Anthony Melo. Mintes. Bigay kay Habla, takes it away. Habla 3!
67-58, 9-point lead. The play. Where's Minasa?
The Sparks on rebound. As number 13, Sabile dribbling the ball. Sabile, pass to Melo, bigay kay Nagkata. Nagkata Mintes, rebound by Gigi De Leon. Bigay kay Sildanya. Sildanya dribbling the ball.
24 seconds.
Pass to James Espinosa, takes a 3. Espinosa, 3!
17-58. Last 6 minutes.
Number 13, pass to number 15, nice man. Mintes. Rebound by Tupal. Pass to Sildanya. Bigay kay Borlano. Borlano setting the play. Pass to number 8, Sildanya. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Pass up, Tupal, 2 points. Official score 72-58. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Pass, Nakata. Drop pass to Habla. Using the far glass.
5 minutes, 14 seconds, 72-62. 2-point lead pa rin.
Borlano setting the play. Pass to Sildanya. Rebound by Sabile. Pass to Habla takes the break. Pagawisa ng rebound.
$15 seconds to shoot.
Sildanya setting the play. De Leon to Espinosa. Rebound by Sabine. Bigay kay Melo. Melo dribbling the ball. Inabol ni Pagawisa. Bilis. Sildanya. Pass to Espinosa. Espinosa 3!
Tres complex
Pass to Habla, pasok 2 points.
75-62.
Wala na ubas sa Sedanya. Sedanya setting the play, looking the clock. 10 seconds to shoot, still by Habla. Mendez. Habla, 2 points.
75-64. 3 minutes and 15 seconds left.
Number 1, pass to Cordova. Mendez.
Minutes and 48 seconds.
Pagkawisa, August Espinosa. Pasok 2 points. Number 15, pass to Montini. Dixon Ray. Mendez. Sedanya dribbling the ball. Sedanya setting the play. Bolano. Last 2 minutes. Traveling violation. Luisan, nakakuha naman. Luisan, and sub. Submitted. Iceman takes a break. Airball. Wala. 5 seconds to shoot.
Ang galing.
3! Kala ko ipapasok eh. Bolano. Using 4 points.
30 seconds left. Congratulations,
End of the ball game.
79-67.
Score 79-67. Winner, Purok Dos. Mga boss, hanggang dito na lang ang vlog sa todo. Kalilimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming channel. Boss, Salam Vlog. Sama na rin ang Kajenos Vlog. Ang nagpapaalala sa inyo, bawal mamatay, mabuhay.
See you in the championship series.